Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about FTM price prediction. So before I start it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. We're gonna start with the FTM per USDT pair. It's already going to this one, the yellow one here, moving average 7 on the 2.8334 US dollar. If they go down, go to the pink one side here, moving average 25 on the 2.5795 US dollar, this one. Okay, so if you want to enter also, then you have any chance that at 2.2 or 2.3. For the Bollinger Band here, the price range is so big at 2.28 until 2.99. And next move is from the 4-hour chart, we're gonna go to the daily chart. Basically, for the daily chart is using for investing, and for our chart is using for trading. And now it's already hit on the upper band, so have to attention on it. If you want to entry, then you can entry below 2.2 or the middle band here. For the RSI stochastic, already overbought position. The moving average here also, first they cannot be break below $2. If they break $2, then should be attention on it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment.